connotation. I am so afraid of him. And I love him so much. And he's so hot, OMG. But all I'm saying is, like,
your relationship is so hot.
He is. No.
I want to.
Like,
maybe
Musha,
without
he's nice to look at.
No,
guys, now I just want muzzle.
Mazili.
He's so hot, OMG.
I feel like without the face tats, Sheba should.
He's so beautiful. Like Musha, even with
Not smash.
Not smash, like Musha, he's nice to look at.
Umazulu Sheba should.
Bobabini.
Ow! Nakwena.
Muscle with shades on. Ish. So.
And it's good that and it's
Yo.
Guys, he's so hot. So anyway. Hey!
Sisi au flash.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Osima speaks about Oshabet shit lapha ku podcast yabo is spreading humor asing ukuthi Oshabet shit like his hot, like he is hella hot. So uzile couldn't understand ukuthi guys ngikhuluma ngani. It's really hot ngaleyo ndlela. And funny thing ne Gelo Uyanda Woods actually agreed with Usia saying he is really hot to shame, but Uzile you could see with shame like he didn't understand what the girls were on about, because so he was asking them would you guys smash, and they said no we wouldn't smash, but he's hot. And he didn't want to say something better about the guy, of course, because we know what was a yay. Ushebe doesn't play, like he will come for you. Dok funa zakuthole akwazi. So nje bekafuna kusho ukuthi hey guys nikhuluma ngani. Yeah, yikhwele into nikhuluma ngayo, but like bekathi nje I don't wanna nyathela side little wrong la Shebe, but if you guys are saying ukuthi he's hot, then okay, it's fine. He's hot. What am I gonna say? So people are dragging Usima lapana kuma comment section gokuthi so bona nabo Shebe ba hot after breaking up with Ugos. Like guys, really? Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.